Hello, I'm Dr. Ryan Brooks, a physician committed to providing clear, evidence-based medical care and helping patients make confident, informed decisions about their health. Listen up, brother, because if you are battling that frustrating little problem downstairs and you start digging around online hunting for answers, your head is going to spin like a roulette wheel and your brain is going to fry from the chaos because the entire internet just keeps throwing the same tired advice at you over and over again. Swallow this blue pill, swallow that little yellow pill, pop this pill pump, that other pill. But here is the scorching hot truth. Nobody really tells you straight because most of the loud noise out there is only about managing the problem, about masking it, about covering up the crime scene. But nobody wants to sit down and actually talk about fixing the root problem at the core. Nobody bothers to walk you through the deep, dark mechanism of why this nightmare even happens in the first place. And that is exactly the molten lava we are going to pour all over your brain today. Because once you finally understand the root cause, you can crush this thing for good. Just imagine that, obliterate it, send it packing. So many guys are out there walking around totally convinced that the whole problem is just low testosterone, and that is it. Game over. Go take some testosterone and call it a day. But hold on a second, because that stubborn little idea is dead wrong. There are plenty of guys walking around with totally normal testosterone who cannot get it up to save their life. And there are plenty of guys whose testosterone is sitting in the gutter who still perform like absolute rock stars in the bedroom. So what in the world is actually going on here? The answer, my loyal friend, is that testosterone is only one tiny slice of a much bigger, juicier, and far more complicated pie. And right there, hiding in the center of that pie, is a sizzling hot molecule that most ordinary people do not even know exists. And that molecule is the real puppet master behind your performance. And that molecule is the missing puzzle piece. Your doctor probably never bothered to explain to you in plain, simple words. So we are going to fix that right here, right now, and break it down so clean you will wonder why nobody ever explained it to you like this before in your life. And that powerful little molecule goes by the name nitric oxide. Yes, nitric oxide, NO. Your body actually cranks this stuff out on its own, and you can also grab more of it from the foods you eat. So dive into those nitrate-rich greens like a champion. But here is the brutal heartbreak. Brother, nitric oxide absolutely tanks as you get older. By the time you hit the big 40, your nitric oxide levels have crashed down to around 50%, half of what they used to be when you were a young buck strutting around feeling invincible. And that is a full-blown catastrophe because nitric oxide is the king, the crown prince, the undisputed heavyweight champion of getting you hard. In fact, the famous little blue pill uses the exact same nitric oxide pathway to do its dirty little work. It just fakes what nitric oxide already does naturally inside your body. So when you really boil it all down, the most likely reason your soldier is not standing at full attention is because you are running dangerously low on this gorgeous little molecule called nitric oxide. And what I am about to hit you with today is the fire-breathing proof that backs up this wild theory. Because the more arrows we stack in the quiver, the more confident we can become that this thing is the absolute truth. So pay very close attention, my friend, because your future self is going to thank you deeply for every single second you spend right here in this moment. And trust me, you absolutely do not want to miss a single breath of what I am about to lay down for you in the next few minutes, because this is the kind of stuff nobody else has the guts to say out loud on camera. Nitric oxide is cooked up by your endothelial cells. Those are the tiny little cells that line the inside of your arteries like wallpaper on a bedroom wall. And nitric oxide has one absolutely electrifying job. It tells your arteries to relax, to open up, to dilate wide, to let the blood rage through like a roaring wild river breaking through a steel dam. In fact, scientists call this whole beautiful process endothelium-derived relaxing factor, EDRF. Fancy words, I know, but the bottom line is incredibly simple. Nitric oxide relaxes your arteries, nitric oxide cranks up blood flow, and it does not just do this for the bedroom stuff. Oh no. My friend, it absolutely does this across your entire cardiovascular system. Every single artery in your entire body responds to this gorgeous little molecule. So if you are running low on nitric oxide, your blood vessels are going to be tighter angrier, more brutally clamp down, and that is going to cascade into a mountain of nasty problems. One of those nasty problems being asthma, for example, because your airways depend on nitric oxide to relax and let the air rush in. So nitric oxide is intimately, seductively, passionately involved with the tone of your entire vascular system. It balances the push and the pull between vasoconstriction and vasodilation, the squeeze and the glorious release. Plus, nitric oxide helps your blood release more oxygen into your starving tissues. So if you are starved of nitric oxide, you are going to have a rough, old-time breathing feeling like you are sucking air through a thin little plastic straw. And that right there brings us to a jaw-dropping statistic that should absolutely blow your mind. 79% of people suffering from sleep apnea also suffer from erectile dysfunction. That is not a coincidence. My friend, that is a smoking fingerprint, that is nitric oxide showing up right at the crime scene with its footprints all over the floor, and the more we look, the more connections start screaming at us. Another scorching link in this fiery little chain is the very real connection between nitric oxide and cortisol. Cortisol is your classic stress hormone. The more anxiety you carry around in your tired bones, the more cortisol floods your bloodstream, and the more cortisol roars through your body, the more your performance downstairs is going to crash and flatline, because here is the cold biological truth. You simply cannot get an erection when your body is locked in full sympathetic mode, when you are stressed out, when you are in fight or flight, when cortisol is screaming at your body to run from the imaginary bear erections, only happen when your body flips over into parasympathetic mode, when you are calm, when you are relaxed, when you are safe, when there is absolutely no bear chasing you down the street. That is exactly why guys wake up with glorious morning wood, because during deep, restful sleep, your body is parked in the parasympathetic lane and it is chilling and it is relaxed and boom, blood flows freely now. Here is another juicy morsel that is going to absolutely fry your brain. Nitric oxide has a deep, profound, almost mystical influence over testicular steroids, meaning it literally helps your testicles crank out testosterone. So there is your smoking gun connection between nitric oxide and testosterone. If you are low in nitric oxide, you are almost certainly not making as much testosterone as you could possibly be making right now in this very moment. And that is a truth that should set your soul on fire, because once you see the connection, you can never unsee it, and you can never go back to the clueless nonsense you believed before you watch this fire-breathing breakdown of the truth. And it does not stop there. My loyal friend nitric oxide is also tangled up with luteinizing hormone. That is the hormone your pituitary gland shoots down to your testicles to tell them how much testosterone to produce. So nitric oxide is pulling strings from multiple directions at the exact same time. Plus another spicy revelation. Nitric oxide is wound tightly into your sleep cycles, including REM sleep, that deep, dreamy phase everybody craves, and this could explain yet another piece of the puzzle. Why people who toss and turn all night long, who battle brutal insomnia, who snore like a freight train with severe sleep apnea, why those specific poor souls are sitting ducks for erectile dysfunction. And one more fiery link in this chain. Nitric oxide cranks up your insulin sensitivity, which is exactly why diabetics who always have insulin resistance almost always also have erectile dysfunction. Just think about it for a slow second. What does high blood sugar do to the delicate inside of your arteries? It scorches them. It fries the delicate endothelial lining. It mangles the very cells that make nitric oxide. So it is a brutal domino effect. Sugar destroys cells, cells stop making nitric oxide. Nitric oxide drops and boom, the bedroom performance absolutely crumbles. And finally, on this entire parade of horrors, people popping statin drugs for their stubborn cholesterol often end up with lower testosterone or find themselves staring at a much higher risk of erectile dysfunction. And the reason is not a mystery at all. Statins block cholesterol, and cholesterol is the raw ingredient your body uses to cook up testosterone. So the math is brutally simple. Less cholesterol means less raw fuel for testosterone. So now we finally arrive at the big juicy question that brought you here in the first place. How in the world do you pump up your nitric oxide naturally? And the answer is fist pumping, absolutely yes, brother. So how in the world do you pump up your nitric oxide naturally without swallowing some little prescription pill? And the answer is a screaming fist pumping, absolutely yes. The real fix is hiding in plain sight, and it costs you exactly $0. So here come 5 scorching, hot, totally natural things you can do starting right now today to flood your body with nitric oxide and revive your bedroom performance all the way up to its absolute peak. Number one, start breathing through your nose. This beautiful technique is called nasal breathing, and it sounds way too simple to actually be true. But brother, it is a nitric oxide goldmine. When you breathe through your nose instead of your mouth, you crank up nitric oxide production in a serious way. And here is the absolutely jaw-dropping bonus. Nasal breathing increases the release of oxygen into your blood by a whopping 20%. 20 whole percent, because your nose creates about 50% more resistance than your mouth does, and that resistance is not your enemy. Oh no, that resistance is your absolute best friend. It is the trigger that tells your body to pour out more nitric oxide into your lungs and into the rest of your bloodstream, and it helps you dump more oxygen exactly where it needs to go. You would think clamping down on airflow is going to suffocate you, but it does the complete opposite. It absolutely supercharges your oxygen release and pushes your whole system into glorious overdrive, so close that mouth shut, and start breathing like you were born to breathe through the nose, and your body will reward you faster than you ever imagined possible. Trust me on that 100%. Number two, combine that powerful nasal breathing with regular exercise. Picture yourself doing some nice mild movement, walking light cardio, any kind of activity where you are not gasping desperately for air through your mouth. If you can keep that nasal breathing going strong while you exercise, you will be pouring nitric oxide into your system on complete autopilot. And on top of that, exercise itself is like powerful fertilizer for your endothelial cells. It grows healthier, happier, more productive little factories that crank out even more nitric oxide. So exercise and nasal breathing together are a brutal 1-2 punch of pure nitric oxide power. And number 3, begin to flood your diet with nitrate-rich foods, because nitrates get converted into nitric oxide inside your body. And the absolute kings of nitrate are beets glorious. Red beets plus spinach plus kale plus all the leafy greens you can pile high on your plate. These foods are nitrate bombs, and they will light up your nitric oxide levels like fireworks on the 4th of July. And your bedroom performance will thank you deeply for every single bite you take, and that is a promise I am willing to make right here in front of you right now. And your partner will absolutely feel the difference in powerful ways you cannot even imagine yet. And that is not me being dramatic, that is just plain biological reality waiting to explode. Number 4, and this is the critical flip side of the coin. You have to immediately stop pouring gasoline on the fire, cut the sugar, because sugar is a wrecking ball aimed straight at the delicate inside of your arteries. Lay off the alcohol, because alcohol is a ruthless nitric oxide assassin. And do whatever you can to keep your stress levels in check, because chronic stress will choke off your precious nitric oxide supply faster than you can possibly imagine. And number 5, fix your sleep chase after deep, restorative, truly high-quality sleep, because that is the magical secret sauce where your body rebuilds its nitric oxide reserves, repairs itself completely, and recharges for battle the very next day. So there you have it, brother. These are the 5 natural moves you can make right now today, this very week, to fight back against the cruel, relentless drop in nitric oxide that comes with the marching drumbeat of aging. And trust me, this is the kind of stuff most doctors do not have time to walk you through, because they are too busy scribbling out prescriptions and pushing pills down your throat. But the truth is, burning bright and crystal clear. Fix the nitric oxide, fix the root cause, and the rest of the bedroom fireworks tend to take care of themselves in the most beautiful and natural way for yourself and your partner. And that is the kind of fact that gets backed up by mountains of real live data. And now I have got one final thing for you before you bounce out of here today. If you have not yet watched the other video, I did the one about a special breathing technique that ties directly into this nasal breathing stuff. You absolutely have to check it out as soon as possible, because it gives you even more fiery, hard-hitting data on how to crush cortisol, calm your stress, and even stop a panic attack dead in its tracks. I dropped that link right here for you. Click on it, watch it, put it to work in your daily life, and you will be stacking nitric oxide and slashing stress at the exact same time. Go crush it, brother. Take that golden knowledge, pour it into your daily routine. Let the nasal breathing become second nature. Let the leafy greens dominate every single plate. Let the sweat from steady exercise become your brand new normal. And let the deep restorative sleep become your absolute secret weapon. Because when you stack all 5 of these powerful moves together, you are not just dabbling around, you are building an iron fortress around your precious nitric oxide. You are turning back the clock on the very molecule that time keeps stealing from you quietly 1 year at a time, and you are giving your magnificent endothelium the love and the oxygen and the fuel it desperately needs to pour out the nitric oxide your body has been screaming for. And that is exactly how you flip the switch from surviving to thriving right now in this exact moment of your life, no matter how old you are. So how do you stop merely hoping and start actually performing right now in this exact moment? Go crush it, brother. Your brilliant body has been waiting patiently for this exact moment, and now is the time to give it everything it has ever needed. And watch the magic unfold in every single area of your life, starting from the inside out. Because when your blood flows right, your confidence explodes, your energy soars, your mood lifts, and your bedroom performance becomes something you can be proud of every single night. And that is not hype, that is simply biology doing what biology does best. When you stack these 5 moves into one unstoppable daily routine, you become the kind of man who does not guess if he will perform. You become the kind of man who knows he will perform every single time. The lights go down and the moment arrives, and that kind of confidence spills into every corner of your life, into your work, into your relationships, into the way you carry yourself when you walk into a room full of people who do not even know what you just learned, but they can feel it radiating off you like heat from a furnace. So take this knowledge and run with it, brother. Take this nitric oxide playbook and turn it into the foundation of your new daily life. Because you deserve to feel alive again, and you deserve to feel powerful again, and you deserve to feel like the rock star you were always meant to be so close. The YouTube tab, open up your nose and start breathing like the champion you were born to be right now. Go right now, go, brother.